and I'm about to fly my kite with my brother. Do you know what a kite needs to fly? That's right, a kite needs lots of wind. Are you ready to see what happens? Now you've seen how wind can affect our lives. For example, we can use wind to have fun when we fly a kite. Did you know that wind can affect other things too? Can you think of some things that wind affects? Today, we're going to conduct an experiment to learn about what wind affects. What you're going to need for this experiment is a straw and a plastic bag. Ask your parents if they can help you find these items and if they're okay with you using them for this experiment. If not, you can just follow along and watch me as I do the experiment. Today, we're going to learn about how the wind also affects the land. Your plastic bag is going to represent the land, and your straw, when you blow through it, is going to represent the wind. If you're doing this experiment with another person, make sure you have your own straw. We don't want to spread each other's germs. So, let's get ready for the experiment. All you have to do is fill your bag up with a little air. Hold on to it with one hand so it doesn't blow away. Take your straw and blow through it onto the bag. What do you think is going to happen when you do this? Take some time to write your hypothesis. What is going to happen when you blow on your straw, blow with your straw onto the bag? All right, now it's time to do the experiment. Go ahead, take your straw and blow onto the bag and notice what happens. If you don't have your own materials, go ahead and watch what happens when I blow onto the bag with my straw. Go ahead and write down some of your observations. What happened to the bag when you blew on it? Do you remember what our straw and blowing on it represented? How about the bag? What did that represent? Hopefully you remembered that when we blow through our straw, that represents the wind, and our bag represented the land. So if blowing on the bag changed its shape, what do you think happens in real life? Go ahead and write down some of your thoughts. Hopefully you wrote something about how wind can change the shape of our land. You're going to watch a video next where you'll see some sand out in a desert. The video shows the wind blowing. I want you to notice how the wind is changing the shape of the land as it changes the sand. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun experimenting with me.